Guys, you want to line yourselves a baking tin, a 9-inch, and preset your oven to 140 degrees Celsius. I've got 1 cup of plain flour, 3/4 of a cup of almond meal. We're going to use a couple of teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, softened unsalted butter, 1 cup of sugar, a little bit of vanilla extract, the zest of a good couple of lemons, and I'm also going to throw in some lemon juice. I'm going to save the lemon juice at the end for my lemon syrup to pour over the cake. We're going to use 3 eggs, three whole eggs, and around about 100 grams, maybe a little bit more, maybe 125 grams or so of Greek yogurt. And we're going to top it off with some crushed or some broken up almonds. You need yourself a stand mixer. You can do this by hand. You do not need this stand mixer, but it makes your life a hell of a lot easier. Okay, we're going to start by pouring the sugar in and the butter, nice and softened.
I want to whisk this for a couple of minutes until it's nice and pale and creamy.
Okay, now I'm going to add the vanilla extract. You want 1 teaspoon of this. Mix that in. I'm going to add my lemon zest, and I'm going to add 1 egg. Just for now. And let that incorporate.
And then you're going to follow the same procedure by adding the other 2 eggs, making sure that you add 1 at a time until all 3 are used up.
Okay, so I've got my dry ingredients here now. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm going to mix my ground almond in. Give this all a really good mix. So we'll add half now. And you want this on the slowest speed. Give it a gentle pulse. Going to add some yogurt. About 1/2 cup of yogurt. Give that a gentle pulse. Again, so we don't have a mix. Going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give that a gentle mix. Now we're going to add the rest of the dry ingredients. And just bring it into a nice batter. You don't want to overbeat this, just mix it in. Place the mixture into your lined tin. I've got to say, it smells so lemony. The combination of almond and lemon is really lovely. And we're going to sprinkle over the top some of those crushed almonds into the oven at 140 degrees Celsius. I'm going to cook this nice and slowly now for around about an hour. So while the cake is in the oven, we're going to make the sugar syrup. I've got 1/2 cup of sugar. Get it into a pan. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice into there. Probably about 1 whole lemon, I reckon. So basically what you want to do is just dissolve that sugar till it's all nicely incorporated. And it thickens slightly. It's going to take a couple of minutes, then you just let it cool down a little bit. Okay, so I'm just going to switch it off now, let it cool down slightly, and then we'll pour it over the cake. Okay, the cake has come out of the oven. We're just going to put a skewer into the center, pull it out, and if it's nice and clean and not sticky, then you know that the cake is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some puncture marks in the cake, and that syrup is going to seep through those little holes as we pour it in. It's important to put the sugar syrup in when the cake is hot, and then let the cake cool completely before you unmold it and start to slice it up.
hope you give this recipe a try. It is a fantastic cake and it can also be used as a dessert with whipped cream. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do so, and also hit the notification bell. That way you will get new recipes every week. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy cooking. I will see you next week with another great recipe. Take care.